Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to show you how to get the new cleanup tool for your iPhone. The new cleanup tool on iPhone lets you effortlessly remove unwanted objects, people, blemishes, or distractions from your images, making your photos look flawless in seconds. And before we start with this guide, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to App Tutor for more similar tutorials like this one. And without wasting your time, let's start. There are a couple of different requirements that we have to meet in order to get this new tool. Open the settings, then General. Navigate over to this Software Update section, and then make sure that your iPhone is running the iOS 18.1 update, or later. If you're on iOS 18.0 or iOS 17, then you won't see this tool because it's available for devices on iOS 18.1 and later. The next thing is to go over to the main settings page and then find this Apple Intelligence and Siri section. Make sure that it is enabled or turned on. The cleanup tool is a part of the new Apple Intelligence system which Apple has introduced, and these are the requirements for it. Apple Intelligence is available for the iPhone 16 series, the 16 Pro and Pro Max devices, as well as the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max devices. So if you don't see your device on this list, then you sadly cannot get Apple Intelligence, and the cleanup tool won't be available for you. This is Apple's decision to enable Apple AI on these specific devices. So if you have an older iPhone model, like the regular 15 or 14 Pro or older, then your device can't get the new cleanup tool because it doesn't support Apple Intelligence. But for those of you that do have the supported iPhone models, just update your iPhone to iOS 18.1, and later, enable Apple Intelligence in the settings, and then you'll see the cleanup tool when you go and edit your photos. If you have any questions or suggestions, then make sure you leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video.